Okay, now technically the stream should start. E. Yeah, there we go. It's now done. So it's not recording anything. It's not recording anything. Ah, help! Or is this just the weird? Oh no, it is recording something. I see. Oh, okay. Oh, so you did that. Do with the lines. I see.
I did that. I'm just looking at how we need to implement this in here now.
In
Oh, cool,
main.java,
so-
yeah, it is a really easy task. Don't do it at the bottom, please.
No, I know.
Because then we have to shift up everything. Do it in here.
At the very bottom, right
At the
here.
very bottom, because this is all set up perfectly fine.
Yeah, I just need to know what the coordinates are.
I know what they are. Command. Set block.
Yeah, you have like whatever plus WH. I don't know what that is, but
Yeah, WH minus 3. This is the
I'll get this part done. Wool
okay.
sign
So this one has to be
facing.
Oh no, this is going to be annoying.
Make this one a title one, and then the Y can stay the same.
Yeah.
So it's the one above the other ones. Plus settings,
minus
right?
17.
Get title string. Yep.
Minus 17 plus. Because wait, minus 17 is here.
The first command. That's this one.
And this is
That's this one right here.
so this is minus
This one is-
17.
No, this one right here. This one right here.
I know.
Look.
So this is minus 17. So this is minus 19. So I'm going to add minus 19 plus the.
No, it's the
height.
top one. It's the top one. It's still minus 17. It's still minus 17.
What do you mean? No, because I have to add the height. You remember, you want to add this
Yeah,
at the top.
yeah. And it's the top sign. You're doing the top sign.
I know, but I have to add the height dynamically. So I'm going to add minus 19 from the command block. So I end up here, and then I'm going to add the height, which will end up here.
Oh, wait, do you want to do it at the top now?
Yes, 1, 2, 3. No, height minus 1. Height minus 1.
Oh, okay.
H minus 1.
Because I thought, yeah, so 19 plus height, which is, in this case, well, no, in this case, the height is 4.
I
The
know.
height is 4, so 19 plus height minus 2.
So it ends up.
'Cause then we get back to
two
17.
minus 2. Okay, there we go. And now the width, and this is exactly the middle. So we do
Minus
0.
19 minus 2 just means minus 21.
And because it's the middle, we don't do anything here.
And what about this one? Minus 2, right? Because it's on the front.
Yeah, minus
And-
2 exactly. That's correct. Copy it down. Add this to.
No, but no, don't change it. Don't, no. The command blocks move one up.
Yes. but
Oh
we
yeah,
don't
then
want
do it
to
the other
move
way
up.
around. Then do it the other way around.
True, we can just do it the other way around. Yeah. So this is the credit sign, and this is the title sign. Yes.
There.
Okay. Do we request this? Yeah, we do request it, right? Yeah.
Yes, we do. I did that.
So now if I run that, can I run? Yeah, I can run it.
You can run it, yes.
Let me
You
copy
don't want
these
to
things,
change.
guys.
Oh, Gamer does not want to change his name.
Oh, sad.
Okay,
I
bro.
messed it up again.
I mean, okay, it's better than some like XX Enderman Gamer XX, something like that. It's at least it's a bit less generic for.
Yeah,
Because I've seen even worse names, so it's not the worst. But definitely not the best though.
Wait, I didn't listen to the right now because I was concentrating.
I'm not talking to you at the same time either.
Oh, that's
remember.
great.
Execute, yeah, we have say ew.
Done. No commands. And no commands. It shouldn't be on. Okay, now the title is going to be Hello Fella User lol.
And try getting one. No, try getting the one between the with the curly brackets from MC Stacker.
No, I'm not going to use MC Stack. I'm going to use the Minecraft tools because this is way better.
I don't care which one you use. I'm just telling you, use that one so that we get both of them, because they're doing the same thing. So if one of them fails, then the other one would fail, or if one of them works, then the other one would work.
Yeah. So this is wait, there should be a sign generator. Text. Oh, there you go. Yeah, Oak sign.
Let me destroy this machine. Oop.
Made by V22 in. Oops. V22 in green.
I want to get rid of this. No, let me do this. Let me do this. Where's the fill command again?
And
it's in here. Fill instead of 2, we'll just do 3. Because then it's this one, right? Over here.
okay, what do you
Fill 3 like this. Don't know why the signs still sometimes do this.
Block entity tag. What? Block entity
Perhaps,
tag.
wait.
That's so funny. No, I
Bruh.
want this one.
Wait, 1 second, 1 second. Don't do anything just yet, okay? Don't.
Yeah.
I just want to check. There. Okay. What happens if we place? Oh,
It's done, but hold on.
outline. Okay, hollow and outline are different. What you did? Remember when you filled hollow and it didn't work, right?
Yeah.
Because you should have filled outline.
Then it doesn't fill the inside.
Yeah, then it doesn't fill the
Oh, that's
the
really
inside.
interesting.
Hollow does fill the inside with air. And destroy. Oh yeah, obviously forgot about that.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah,
There we
none
go.
of
Summon
those
polling
are.
block. This is our thing. I just generated the whole command block. Let me see if
Yeah,
it
no.
works. Let me put it in and let me run it. Oh my goodness! It's not. It's wait. It is working. Yeah, no, it is working.
Yeah, it is.
But
Yeah,
it
made by
doesn't
V22.
replace the blocks behind it.
Because we never added that, did we?
Yeah, we did that. We never added that. That's true. But
Oh
okay,
wow, I
that's-
wonder why it isn't working.
Yeah,
Look, it's
yeah.
fine, it's fine. Take these two, take these two, take these two, right? Set block, and instead of using -22, we would -24.
each, yes, and then we just use the settings.get no machine config.get block.
Or technically we could use a fill, but
I don't want to fill a command because it's like then we have to mess around with stupid coordinates again.
machine config, right?
Yeah.
Well, no, fill is easy. Fill is easy for this. Look, we take this thing that we have over
Oh
here.
yeah, then we have the second coordinates here.
We have the second coordinates. Yeah, exactly. We have these already. I just need to. Oh my god, it escaped stuff.
Yeah, I know it's really annoying. It is. It's
Wait. Yeah, we have this. No, the second coordinates are just this, but
But
minus
what if the
one
top,
more.
top
Oh, no,
and bottom block?
plus
What
one.
if it is different? No, it should always be the top block. Machine config.get top block.
Top or bottom?
Top because
It
because
sticks to the
it's
bottom.
really high.
Oh yeah, no, it
it's
is.
really high.
Yeah, it sticks to the top. It sticks to the top, of course.
Yeah. It is padded to the top. Remember.
It has padding.
Okay, let me try that again.
Bro. Oh, Gamer says, just imagine a parallel universe in which I have millions of subs and everybody's trying to copy my IGN, but I'm the original, and they're like a lot of people named C Gamer C.
I do understand that. Yeah.
I'm Gamer. Let me destroy this machine.
No,
Sorry.
I did the execute command. Oh yeah, true. Place it back. That's so smart. Because I need this execute command. Oh my goodness. Can you hear this clock?
Yes, yeah, I can hear the clock. It randomly. I've gotten used to it though. That's the thing. I've been in VC with you so much that it's kind of normal for me to
It is
just
so
hear this
annoying.
clock.
I don't even know. The problem is I don't know where this clock is inside of my wardrobe. It's somewhere, but in a shelf, shelf, not wardrobe. And it's just somewhere right there is a clock, and I don't know where it is.
Bro, I know because I randomly sometimes just hear the clock just go beep 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 for a couple of seconds, and it's off, and then we forget about it, and then like a couple hours later, it goes again. Beep 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 beep. The ugly dirt machine. Ooh, actually, another thing we
No,
should
no,
have
not
tried.
done, not done, not done. I have to copy this thing again and paste it in.
Okay, one thing you need to try, okay, is we need to try just hitting enter on it without any text, just to make sure that
That's
also
true.
works.
That's true. I mean, then it doesn't have any text. It just has any, like, no text. at
Okay,
all.
there's your machine. Please
Oh yeah.
insert it into this machine.
Ah,
We forgot to subtract. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. It's because I forgot to make these -3.
I know what the issue is.
It's not. It's not. It wasn't that. It's not. Whatever.
Did you
It was
edit?
pretty dumb.
Yeah. Don't destroy the machine yet, please, because
Yeah. No. I know. Rerun it, and then make it so there's an empty line as well, so that we check that those work. With the wall blocks. Brown stained glass. Yes.
Scoreboard objectives. I have to look if scoreboard objectives work.
We'll have to check those as well.
I mean,
Type of
technically they
commands.
should work because I added them. I already did that.
You put a weird
A
A
German
with 2
letter, I know.
dots.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also that yeah, and I made it so that if you put another one, it resets the what do you call it, the conditionals.
There we go. Yeah. Say welcome. Say bye. This machine be on when it spawns? Nope. The title. This is D. I don't know how long it can be.
Well, yeah, we'll need to do the checks, but
This is the ugly.
put an enter space there, enter.
Yeah.
Okay, machine.
Dirt. The ugly dirt.
Oh yeah, dirt machine.
Dirt machine.
Okay, and now yeah, you can put the other one.
Yeah, no, wait.
We need to check that this works, and
And there we go. And we have to make a nice interface for the command line tool.
with what, with Java Swing.
No. Okay, there we go. This worked. Perfectly fine.
Nice.
Okay,
And these
it's
signs don't
now
do anything.
off, so it doesn't do anything. And yeah,
Now it's on?
doing- Yeah,
Now it's off.
yeah. And turn it on. Yep. Perfect.
Goodbye. Hey, look at that. It said bye.
Oh, that's so cool.
Welcome.
We did such a good job with that.
I agree. This thing is amazing. What are we making? Oh yeah, this is a one command generator. Basically, if we look at the build tool, right? First of all, it asks us what the bottom and top and side blocks should be, the wall blocks. Do you want to build the machine satisfyingly? Which basically, if you look at how this machine is built, right? It's built one block at a time, so like all the things just like place in there, right? That's what yes does. Otherwise, it just instantly pastes it in. List all the scoreboard objectives. So basically, yeah, this is if you need any scoreboard objectives. Then you type all the commands. You have one command chain, which you can do. It starts with this repeating command block right here, if the machine is on, and then everything going past this way, and this and it walks through. So I have a thing which takes it and it does something like this with the commands, like this, and then this one would walk this way and it would keep going. All of these being chain command blocks. We would then paste those in, these commands that you put. Hashtag means a conditional command. Then you have commands that can be executed when the machine is made, commands that can be executed when the machine is destroyed, whether the machine should be on when it spawns, and then the titles. As you can see, it's a fully working one command block, like one command block, and it summons everything out of that one command block over here. We can turn it on and off, which does fancy stuff. This little fancy block dropping mechanism. We can destroy the command, And yeah, that's basically what we're making. At least for now. We're probably gonna switch to making something else because the idea is we just code a bunch of stuff today.
Yeah. You
And
know,
this is something we
was the
started
weirdest
earlier.
explanation ever. You know why?
Why?
Because we are in VC. I heard what you said relatively fast, but your stream was delayed by 10 seconds or something. So what you said was on screen 10 seconds later. So, like, you said, I thought, what are you talking about? Because look, what you did is, you explained this command block, and then when you said it will expand like this, you were doing this move. Yeah, it expands in this direction over here. Look at my character. Look, you
Yeah.
said it will expand in this direction over here. Like it will like what you I don't know. It was really
The
funny.
point is it was delayed. It was
Yeah,
delayed.
that's
Yeah,
the
I
point,
get it.
yeah.
I get it. So now you can paste in whatever you want in here, and you get fancy stuff, right? You get this. You can paste in whatever commands you want into here, and it will return this one really long command, which has a very little amount of chain thingies over here as well, which is pretty nice. I mean, that's because that's because they're all over here, right?
Oh yeah, I
But
know what
for-
you're talking about.
Yeah. And yeah, as you can, very nice. And you can do things with it. We have wait, do we have the cow one, or is the cow one?
I think
No, we
it's
don't have it
done.
in the machine. Wait, actually, wait, is this the cow machine? This might be the cow machine.
Yes.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Toggle on. And toggle it off. Turning it on takes like a bit of a second, like a half a second or something like that for the block to full, but turning it off is instant. Unfortunately.
But I like the animation with the block in here. I really
Yeah.
like it.
What was the previous method of making something like this? I have absolutely no clue. V22, do you have any idea?
Yes. So I did something. Can you just follow me along?
Yeah, I'll
Also,
follow.
we can
I'll
also
follow you.
slash place
Because
if you
I
want
mean,
to.
I remember seeing what you did manually over there.
Yeah, so I did this manually before, and what I was basically doing is I was building the command blocks in the machine like this. I built this by hand over here, and then it took me a really long time to write the really long command in Notepad. I do have a file open, which is this one over here.
I think there are online only one command generators, right? There has to be Minecraft only one command generator.
Probably. It would be
But
really...
I don't know if they're gonna be Mr. Goretto's one command
Yes, this
generator.
one is used by most people. But I did use it once, and I was not able to generate a thing with it. It is really weird to use. It is extremely weird.
Tool combine many commands into one command block. This version will compact the command length by 17%. Okay.
Just
Check out
paste the
the-
two commands in. I want to see
Wait,
what it
wait,
generates.
wait. Generate the initial structure. Simply wait. Write down the commands for the non-compressed, non-vertical version. Click here. Check out the. Well, let's try this one first. Where's my the two commands? I'm gonna do these. Wait, does he not have goodbye command? I don't think this guy has goodbye commands.
No, he doesn't have, and he doesn't have scoreboards included, I think.
Nor do I think he has conditional commands.
Our
'Cause,
thing
like-
is way better. No, but
Yeah,
I don't know,
how are we
good
supposed to
things
how are we
go.
supposed to make a conditional command like this? Hmm. I mean, it has something. I want to see what this does at least. Summon falling sand. I feel like that's outdated, isn't it? Falling block. This is very much a different version of Minecraft. This is not this correct version of Minecraft. Yeah.
Then it's a 1.8. Summon falling sand. Yeah, falling sand is 1.8. I like this
So
more.
this isn't even wait. Maybe the brand new box. Oh frick! I hate ads. The brand new box version. Okay, right. He has something. He has
It's
something.
1.8. It's 1.8.
Is it 1.8? It might be 1.8.
Yeah,
but at
falling
least
sand
okay.
is 1.8, falling
He has
sand.
add signs. He has like a whole sign generator where you can add signs. You can add as many signs as you want, as you can clearly see.
Oh,
That's unfortunate.
but it's
Built-in
1.8. It's
function.
retarded. Or does
Command block modifiers are I say I'm an impulse command block, multi-line, NBT. Oh, cond is a conditional. Ooh, okay, okay.
So you do have conditionals.
The double this new one at least does. Floor crafting. How to use them.
This
to build it.
vertical thing, I think it just generates a stack and executes them. Doesn't build a box.
Yeah, this is the box version though. See, enable casing. Top. Oh, he doesn't have separate top and bottom blocks. Ah, I see. See, this is where we're better than him. See.
Yeah. More customizable.
Structure rotation. Yeah, he has rotation and stuff like that built in. Now the thing is, we could, but we can't be asked.
It is extremely annoying.
Ours calculates our own dimensions. Ours doesn't ask you. Ours is like, look, the box needs X amount of dimensions. We're gonna generate X amount of space. Like all of these you've seen are the same size, because we're only using up 2 commands, right? Now we take the commands that we have, we subtract it by 1, and then we basically do some like calculations over here. The width of this command block machine is always going to be 3, by the way. This is always going to be 3.
5 with the auto blocks.
Well, yeah, 5 with the outer block. The dimensions of this are always going to be 3 on the inside. So what we're doing is we're taking the amount of command blocks. So let's say we have this one. We had 2 command blocks, right? We have 2 command blocks. So we're subtracting 1. And then from here, we're dividing this by 3 seal dividing, so that means at most it will always round up. So dividing it by 3, rounding up, that's 1. And then, so from that, we divide it by 3, so that's how many of these layers we need, how much of this like area. And then I do some extra calculations to make the height 2 at least, and the width, and the depth, I mean anything. And I make it so that the depth is twice as much as the height, unless it is smaller than the height. Unless it's smaller than 2. So if let's say I had 32 command blocks, right? So I needed to fit in 32 command blocks. So we're going to subtract 1 and we get 31, right? So now we need to fit in 31 command blocks in a little cube. First things first, we divide it by 3, seal it, and then like round it up. So that gives us 11 because 10 would give us just 30, so we need to round up. So now it's saying we need to somehow split 11 command blocks in a little like area like this. So what it does is it divides 11 by 3 in the same method while rounding it up, which gives us 4, because 4 times 3 is 12. So that will be the depth, and then the height will be 2. If we have 32 command blocks, this will be the inner dimensions. It will take up this thing, and it will try to fill it up as much as it can.
Okay, what I don't like
Plus
is
the
that
extra
it's
command
so
block
flat.
over here.
I don't like that it's so flat, because usually the command machines are really higher than deep, I guess.
No, they're usually deeper than high, I think.
Oh.
I mean, it depends. I mean, maybe we can change it, and then this one would turn out to be... It's not hard to change it, it's just flipping one side.
I think that 3 is too little. I think 4 or 5.
But the thing is, right, let's say we start to we need to add an extra layer, right? Let's say we need to add in more commands. V22, come. Look,
Yeah.
Come over here. Let's say we add in an extra, so enough commands till we need an extra layer over here, because this is now twice as deep as it is high. We'll actually remove this layer and put it onto the top over here. And then because this isn't enough, because this was, well actually no, this was 6, so it's enough, but the next one, we'll add it over here. And then it will keep repeating this pattern. So now it's 3, so it's going to go up until 6, and then after it's done with 6, it's going to remove 1 and it's going to add 1 onto here. Does that make sense?
To me, it makes perfect sense, yes.
And this keeps on going, so now that it's 4, it's going to go up to 8, and then it's going to add a 5th one, and then the height limit is 5. The inner height is at most 5.
Yes. Because otherwise you have a really weird looking command machine. Which is a tower, basically.
So MQXF is playing Minecraft again. Well, kinda not. I mostly did the coding part. V22 is the one who actually understands the commands.
Wait, that's wrong. I also did a lot of the coding.
No, I know. I'm just saying.
Almost everything.
I did,
not everything, but you did the height, the size calculations, and that actually placed the command.
I did. No. I know. Okay, you did not understand what I just said. I said I mostly did coding. As in, I mostly only touched the coding part. I don't know really what I'm doing in Minecraft. Realistically, I'm just doing this.
Yeah. You know,
I'd
I
rather
know
your excitement
commands
about
really
explaining
well.
this to literally only me. Well, look, okay, we will start somewhere. You're a QuakeCon guy. I don't know QuakeCon. I don't know what that is. You're like famous. I don't know this guy. If you're famous, then congratulations. I don't know you. Yeah, this is the calculate dimensions method right here. We take the number of commands, we subtract 1, we divide it by 3, we try dividing it by 3 again, making the depth of the height times 2. If the height is smaller than 2, the height is 2, because the height needs to be 2, and if the height is greater than the max height, the height has to be the max height, which in our case is 5.
Yeah, and I
But it
also
could be
added
something
this
else.
amazing thing, the command stack class. You can follow me in Nintendo because I don't have any viewers yet. Because
Yeah.
my channel is so old, no, not old, but you have like this amazing command stack class, and what you can do is you can add the command, and you can even add another stack to the stack, and then it will generate those falling blocks stacked on top of each other, and they will execute in the right order, and it will also delete itself, and if you add another stack, it will paste the stack next to the other one, and it will escape it. So it actually, it's really cool. It is really cool.
It is very fancy, yeah. It would escape adjacent, which basically means, you see how we have these like parentheses? If we put this inside of another command block, this would fail. We have to put in 2 extra backslashes in here. And yeah, we figured that out. We had to do that, so. And then we get these fancy little machines, which we can also destroy. Nice. Piston door moment. I'm not famous. Okay. You're not famous then. I guess. Oh well, that's very sad. So is that everything you wanted to do, by the way, with this? Or do you want to add something else?
No, I think we're done with that.
I agree. Let's push it to GitHub then.
So we have to make a nice README file, and we have to make... Oh wait, no, we're not done, because it literally prints out the thing and the size, and it's really weird. So, this size, okay, it's fine. We could do size, colon... Some
No,
fancy
just
thing,
don't print out the size. Just don't print out the size.
of the box. Maybe you need it.
Why would you?
Because, of course you do. Okay, just push it anyways. Just push it. That's fine.
Fine. Look at that. Now it's gonna be updated on here, and that's it done. Nice. If you want to make a nice README, you should make a nice README. Let's touch your README.
No, my YouTube, no. Look, guys, my YouTube is, wait, let me send it in the chat. Because I'm not on Twitch, because I hate Twitch. No, I don't hate Twitch, it's like weird.
A video on my channel with 4.6k views.
So, this is
What's
my
he did to his
amazing-
VTube?
No,
Oh
shit,
yeah,
this
no,
is-
wait, yeah, no, he was on Twitch, but then he didn't like it.
This
So
is-
what is your YouTube actually? Is it like
It's just... let me see, I have to open this up again.
youtube.com? Let me close this. It's V20 at V22 Minecraft, right?
I
Yeah, it
guess,
is.
but I don't
This
even
one,
know.
this one, V22 Minecraft 93.
It is?
Actually, yeah, I could just at you like that. There. Now it's in there. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
Now in the description. Now he's in there.
Yeah, the link I sent in there, it's, yeah, it doesn't work for you guys. It works for me because it's my YouTube studio, but... I mean, wait, that's actually...
No, just go to his channel if you want to get onto his point of
Yeah,
view.
but don't
His-
expect anything too good because my PC is like really shitty and
exponentially worser than yes.
worse than him.
Yeah.
It is. And so I think it's really laggy. I don't even know if it's laggy, but it's like mine is laggy,
I
but-
found the channel before he did. Yes, I did. I'm just too good, you know.
I
Yeah,
was
so
not
you have
actually
a-
searching the channel. I was.
If I am actually gonna check because you said
I
you had a
was
video
trying
on your
to
channel
delete
with
the message I
with
sent
4.6.
him.
What is my most viewed video? What is it?
Is it? I don't know.
It's either this one, the small and seamless 0.6, or the tutorial. No, it is the small and seamless 0.6. Yeah, the tutorial is a second with 4,000 views. 4,000 people just watched this tutorial that I made.
Let me see on my channel what is the most famous video there. Famous video.
Famous, bro. That's
really
amazing.
Famous videos on there.
Oh, whatever. Your famous
It
video.
probably is.
YouTube.com/@v22minecraft93.
So my most famous video is a gambling machine in Minecraft with redstone, apparently with 270
Yeah, I need
views.
to show that chat. A gambling machine.
Yes, a gambling machine, and
Of all things, man. Of all things, a gambling machine.
yeah, with the worst
Is
thumbnail.
it age
ever.
restricted?
Just
Is the
look
video
at this,
age restricted
Just look
as
at
well?
this thumbnail. Look at this thumbnail. I go to my channel and look at the thumbnail. It is so dumb.
Wait. Oh yeah,
Actually,
let
all of
me
my
see this.
thumbnails
Let me
are so
see
funny.
this. What is the content? Which one? I don't know which. Is this one or?
The gambling machine, it has a really big red arrow, and it has text which is really thin inside the block.
Bro, red clickbait arrow.
And look at my newest video. Look at this RAM.
Amazing.
I mean the thumbnail.
Yeah, I know. The thumbnail is amazing. Okay, right.
Yeah, he's
Anyways,
making it paint.
moving on from that. Do you want to make the fancy readme or what? Because that means we're done
Hello,
with.
Typex. The fancy readme, the fancy. I mean, is there anything to it? You just run it, and then it tells you everything what you have to do.
I mean, true. Okay, let me do this.
But we need a teaser. We need a
only
teaser.
one command.
Yeah, let me see what you're doing in here. So I think I can close that.
Oh my God! Hello, can I? Oh, bro.
Yeah. Okay, that's really cool. That's really cool.
There. There's the vid. And
No, I was meant to spell it like that, but it's fine. It's nice like this. V22. Alright, do you not use this thing for that? I thought you do.
no, dash.
Dash. Interesting.
Yes. I was already pushing it, and now I have to do this again. Get push. There.
We have to include the jar file though, because I don't want them to be to have this thing.
We can do this in a release. You know,
Yeah,
GitHub
no,
has
it's
this stuff.
compiler.
Yeah, there you go. I mean, is there anything to it? You just run it and it tells you what to do. V22. V22 Minecraft. Look, you can do this. If you look at my stream, after 10 seconds, you'll see that I click a button called Create New Release, and then we can type the title. V22.
You're hovering over it, you're surrounding it with your mouse, and now you just clicked on it in the stream.
Wow, it's choose a tag. V22.
A tag? What do you mean by tag?
It's supposed to be the version. You usually put like V1.0 or whatever, but yeah,
V22.
it's common practice the version with the letter V and then the version.
Yeah, V22.
V22, V2.2 dash main.
No, we just do 1.0 or 0.0. I don't know. What is the first version usually?
If it fully works, then 1.0.0. If it's not finished yet, then you do 0. something.
Okay, then 1.1.0.
Right. We need to then give it the compiled and from the target. Actually, wait, no. You need to do this. Actually, you need to do this because I can't. Because you're the one who has like the thing. I need to do MVN because we don't have any dependencies, so I can just say. Actually, I can just
Wait,
click
what do you
some
mean? I should
buttons.
compile it or what?
Yeah, let me just
Even
package.
package. Oh yeah, I was about to execute that. And then people can
target.
make amazing one command block machines with our thing.
Okay, call it like only one command instead of Minecraft dash command packer dash 1.0 dash snapshot dot jar. Okay.
Fair.
Let me. I already packaged it, bro.
Did it not do anything?
It did. You're just dumb.
No, it didn't. That didn't execute it.
That's not what package. Okay, right. Open your file explorer. Open
Yes,
your
my
Dolphin.
Dolphin, yeah, there we go, Dolphin.
Yeah, Dolphin file explorer.
Uh,
And go to the folder. And I know there's delay, which is why I'm not seeing it instantly. But after you go to the folder, go to target and rename the jar file to only one command
wait,
dot jar.
what is it in here? What? Wait, am
I don't know how long the delay is, so I don't know if you've opened Dolphin or not, because you have it on the stream.
I did open it.
Oh, you just opened it! You just opened it! Yes!
Yeah, but that's the wait. Where is this? I have to see what it is. It is in
Target!
Java Minecraft command. What? No, wait. What? Where is it? Coding Java. Yeah. It's not in here. Oh wait, is it in the all? Wait. Oh, I think it's in the weird thing. You know what I mean?
Is it in
think
Skype stick?
Yeah. Yeah. Coding Java.
Same thing. V22 is making
Yeah,
the
it
same
isn't
thing
there.
I'm
It isn't
making.
there. I have to move it over. Minecraft command packer to /home, right?
Yes.
Desktop, browser.
Skype stick, yes.
Can I do that, or do I not have access? No such file directory. No, it's not that. It's coding Java. Oh yes, it's this right? No. Desktop coding Java. I thought you do it like this.
Just don't worry about moving it. I don't know if you've already moved it, but
Yeah, I don't know. I cannot find the file. Do I really have to put the slash in front of it? Probably not.
what is it? It's a only one command generator. That's what it is.
I don't care. It isn't there. I can technically close the ng rock as well.
You. Whatever. We'll speak to him later. Just. Well, whatever. I'll do it myself now. You took too long. I'm just gonna take over.
Okay, I'm sorry, Taklex 46. I didn't respond to your thing, but I was watching Mac's screen for some reason. Now, what we're making is a one command block creation generator. I don't know if you've seen that before, but you can actually put a bunch of stuff into one command block and then you can execute it, and it summons a whole machine which has a lot of command blocks inside of there, and they execute something you want. Yeah, that's basically the thing. And it has a bunch of cool features, like you can customize it and add credits and title and shit. It's really fancy.
And now I need to just grab.
I'm just looking at my stream and it's not laggy at all. Not that laggy. I thought it would be way laggier, but it wasn't actually.
New command target.
Good.
Publish release. There we go. I've already done it.
Okay, so we now have an amazing only one
Yeah,
command.
you can download it. You need Java to run it, obviously.
Yeah, but I mean you have Minecraft, so you.
Yeah, you have Minecraft Java.
Where can you download it from?
GitHub.
I know, but
Do you still
I'm on
do Redstone at all? No, not really. I haven't done it in a while. I probably still remember how to, but I don't necessarily plan on doing Redstone, I don't think, at least. Because I do a lot more coding now, and that's what I've kind of just been focusing on. Coding and stuff. And this was just like a small project that V22 started. As I don't know why he started it, but I joined him on this. But now we'll switch... now that we're done with this, I think we'll switch to...
No way. There's no way. 1 second.
But now we'll go back to like coding in Rust because we have stuff. Is he trying to find the watch? The watch that's beeping. Oh, the beeping watch.
There's no way. I just found the annoying clock. I just
Minecraft
found
works
it.
on its own without... oh yeah, of course, because Well, I mean, no, it doesn't work without Java, but it's. Let me explain, right? It doesn't work without Java, but it doesn't check for the installed Java. Instead, if you go to Minecraft bin, no, not bin. I don't. That is it in the JD? Somewhere in here, libraries.
The
Or do
Minecraft
they
Java? No,
not?
it's in .minecraft.
Yeah, it is in .minecraft. I'm looking. I know they decided that for some reason they were just gonna. Yeah, runtime. Yeah, look.
One time, yeah, there we go, Java. JRE.
JRE, like a Java runtime legacy, and this has all the Java. This is the Java that they use. So they just like pack the entire Java with it instead of something like Mindustry, as an
Yeah,
example.
yeah.
I don't know why I use Mindustry, but it's because the other one that I know that's in Java, where you rely on your own JDK. I think at least. I'm not actually sure, but I think. How big is this actually? 300 megabytes extra. Yo, average is here. Oh my god, it's real Andrew Tate fake. I'm not bald anymore, by the way. That was funny. Isn't that a mobile app? No. The sadness. Ministry? Oh, I think it exists for mobile, but it definitely has a desktop version. Does it
Yeah,
have
it
it
does
on-
exist for mobile, and if you have an iPhone, you have to pay for it because App Store, which is really funny.
Funny. I think I have it in here. Yeah, look, I have Ministry in here. Yeah, it does come with the JRE. It also comes with a JRE. Everything comes with its own JRE. How big is the JRE? 177. I don't know what the hell Minecraft packed into theirs, because this one's way
There are
smaller.
a lot of JREs in there. There are actually 4.
Oh yeah, because this one only took the one that it needed.
Because
which
you
is
know what's
Java.
funny? If you run Minecraft 1.8, it
I mean,
actually
true,
uses
because
all
it
the
needs
JRE.
multiple. I don't have JD GUI on here. But I know this is Mindustry. This is Mindustry itself. This desktop jar, because they used...
libgdx.
Yeah, they use libgdx. It is kind of like... it is kind of like Factorio. Yes. That is very affirmative. Wait. What was it? JDGUI? Perhaps?
Industry also is a really cool game.
No? No?
Okay,
Oh, wait, no.
that's great.
Wait, what was this? What was it? Sync. Oh, yeah. Host has closed the project.
Yes, because
Query. Oh, yeah, I forgot it was Q. I'm new to Manjaro Arch based. JD. Is there not probably is somewhere like in the AU in the. Yeah, it is. It is. I mean, technically, if you buy it if you use Steam, it's not free on Steam. But if you just download it from like the official download page, it is free. You can get it for free as well.
yes, from itch.io.
Wait. I know this has the it's probably on the. I know JD. It has to exist. It's probably on here. JD. Would it show me JD GUI? JD GUI. Yeah, that's what I was saying. It was on the in the AUR. It was on that repository. I don't know what was the difference. Bin and not bin. I'll just grab this one. Yeah, it's
Do we want to continue on the MV core then?
Yeah, I guess we could do either MV Core, MV Engine, because there's stuff with anything. It could be MV Utils, MV Sync, because I want to add a thing to MV Utils. I want to add a macro to it.
I mean, we have to get 3D rendering working. That would be
Yeah,
really
we
nice.
do. I want to add a macro which will just help you out. But
Is it this macro?
no.
Are you talking about that?
No. It's that one's already done. I just want to make the lazy one easier to use.
Okay.
Who the fuck is buying it on Steam? I don't know. Like if you want to support the creator, if you go to the official download page, right, and you download from there, it gives you an option to support them as well, right? And Steam will take like 90% of the money for itself as well.
I don't even know
It's
how
like a
expensive it
lose-lose.
is on Steam.
Now I should have JD GUI. There we go. There we go. So now I do have JD GUI. So now I can open up the Mindustry, and I can look inside of the source code. Oh my god. Do I have? No? Oh yes, I do. JD GUI. There. It uses Arc, which is a fork of libgdx.
Yeah.
Arc and Rust. Atomic reference counter. Yeah, and it has all the stuff in here. You can look. There's all the map data. There's the actual like Ministry stuff. They have all of the stuff in here.
10 euros. It costs 10 euros Ministry on Steam.
You could donate 10 euros when downloading it.
No,
and
you
then...
can. And you can donate 6 euros. So when you download it, you can donate 6 euros.
You can donate any amount, I think.
Big picture, yeah.
Oh, the big picture. Oh my god.
Max, open up your Steam. Open up your Steam, and then.
I know what it is. I know what it is. I don't need a reminder of what it is.
Okay, then it's fine. Yeah, then it's fine.
Right. So I want to just see if I just quickly. I just want to check. Get MV Core open. Okay, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do a bit of MV Engine. I might do this like tomorrow because I don't think V22. You're not there tomorrow, right?
No, I'm not.
Yeah, then I might actually just stream by myself tomorrow and do that MV Engine, the networking thing that I wanted to do. So I'll do that tomorrow then, because I wanted to do a graph networking for MV Engine, which would allow us to create a realistic electricity system.
Okay, I just sent you the join link for the JetBrains
Okay.
client.
Avo is here as well. Or maybe he was. I don't know if he's still there. Maybe he is. Maybe he's silently watching in the background. Okay, can I connect? No, I cannot. Hello? Am I unable to connect? I don't know.
Ask the MV team bot if it's valid.
Oh wait, no, it's not even that. It's instantly.
I can make
it's
it move
instantly-
if you want to.
Oh wait, did you encode this thing again?
No,
No.
I didn't encode anything.
The code with me validator is not online.
I know I have to run it, but I don't want to run it. I'm too
Wait, but
lazy to do
like,
that.
wait, did you change something about it so that I can't join?
No, why would I do that?
Because you kept doing that before.
No, I didn't. But I just sent it to you again. That's literally the exact same thing. I can make a new station if you want to. Oh wait, are you joining from Java, from Thing, or from CLion?
It's a JetBrains client. It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Oh, yeah.
It actually does matter.
Okay, then I'll imagine. Okay, just make a new session either way. Wait, MKXF, where are you from? Earth. Oh, I mean that is very true. I am indeed from Earth. You know the planet. You probably heard of it. You know it's pretty well known place. Stream by myself for smaller creators is way more literal.
What?
Yeah, that's that is very literal. Although I assume like one person would show up as well, so it
Yeah.
won't be totally by myself.
Maybe I'm going to watch it too.
It won't be available, but you'll be watching it. You'll be there, and
I support you mentally.
you'll support me. You'll be there for the extra support.
Okay, there we go. Now it's working.
If I go to here, okay, this is your fancy thing. I wanted to check, because right now the issue is if you use my lazy macro over here, this amazing macro, lazy or lazy init, everything has to be of the same thing. So you can't make a static and a static mute in the same block. You'd have to make two separate blocks for them.
Oh.
However, I think I know how to do it, and it's not even that hard. Yeah, and then I have to just make this either static or let. Which, I mean, I guess I could just do this. Question mark. Let. Question mark.
Okay, let me
And
see.
then space
First of all.
mute. Question mark. And then I just have to paste these in here, right? Would this work? Like, technically, yes, it would be a bit dumber, but let's just say I'm gonna use
Wait, what?
this
To remove the
create
application loop?
lazy init, because that's the one I changed, right? No, I just changed the lazy one,
Yeah,
lazy.
true. I remember.
And use create once lazy. So if I say lazy and I say let a string is equal to hello dot toString, static b use64 is equal to 10, let mute c I size is equal to -2, and static mute d yeah, sure. Does this work now? Or well, almost. I mean, technically, I can just take, instead of this, I can propagate decal, which will be just a token tree, I guess. I need to check what it can be as well. $decal, right? That should work for let and stuff, right? Yeah, okay, so that's fine. Is there like a better thing I can do? Can it be like a... I don't think that's a keyword. Item? No. Okay, no, let's just use a token tree, and then here we'll just say $M, which will also be a token tree. What does this show me? No? Why doesn't it like it?
I don't have self yet.
Not allowed after visibility fragments. Really? Ah, fair enough, yeah.
Oh, it needs. Ah, yeah. Okay.
Okay, you won't be able to merge statics and lets in the same one, but you should be able to put mutes in the same one. So if I do this, and I make a second one for lets. Let. Technically... because it doesn't know what I'm passing into it. Okay, what if instead of this I say... Not a token tree, but another... And not say mute. Like this. Would this not, like, properly do it? Oh yeah, I can't use lets and statics in the same one, but...
I really have to.
Oh
do
yeah, I
that.
pasted it in for the statics, but not for the lets. I feel like this could work, but for some reason it doesn't? Question mark?
Oh no, you have to. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, no, it doesn't want to make the C mutable. Okay, this could be dumb, but it could also work.
Oh, because
Yeah.
I see.
I'm
Yeah.
doing it with the static ones. Just use static ones for now.
Does this work?
Just use this as n. I think this has worked. Hey! Okay, I got it to work. Oh. Oh, you are indeed of... Ah, I see. I did not realize. I
What?
did not.
What did you not-
Tuklax is indeed Avo. Okay, so then I can just copy this over and fancy things can happen. And now instead of doing this for all of these ones as well, so this, yeah, the ones that are equals in it. So now you can mix up the mute and non-mute, which is fancy, to say the least. There. And now we can do the same thing for this one up here. The only difference is that instead of lazy, it's lazy in it.
It should be always. It should outlive.
In it once. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, it's
Once.
also going to outlive.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah.
Boom.
Static.
Create
Right,
once
complain
is
about the new.
just create once new. There shouldn't be. Oh wait, no, there should be a type. There shouldn't be an equals in it. This one, yeah, it's create once new. Create once new. Then I was thinking for lazy, could the type in theory be question mark? It could be, right?
Oh, because it's
Like this.
Wait, I cannot do colon T. Because if I do T, well, what is T? I just know that.
Because it should be able to infer it from this. Do the same thing for this one as well. Right here. I don't know if this would work for create once, because how the hell are you supposed to know? But just in case, I will. Because maybe Rust is smart enough. It's usually smart enough for a lot of things, so. Now, does this compile? No, it does not. It doesn't like my thing. Why doesn't it like it? We're using static, right? So it has to be after mute $n, it has to be either colon or another identifier. Apparently it's ambiguous. Non-British people trying to understand what's up with T. T is great. Static mute identifier. Can I do ors?
Code.
Like a specification. Reference. Ah, why is it light mode? Rust. No. Navy. Okay.
Oh no, just set.
Macro rule. A macro matcher to macro transcriber. Is a macro match. Except crate macro frag spec. Type visibility path pattern meta expression. Yeah, there's not much. Like Jesse can't be reading live chat all the time. Well, I occasionally check, you see. I occasionally will check. But only occasionally. Why would mute be this one? I don't understand. Like, it sees mute. It can be either this or this, apparently. I don't think we can have an identifier named mute.
Mute.
Yeah, but just by an identifier itself. It gets a token. It says mute. Multiple parsing option. Built-in NT ident name or one other option. It's saying that this could match name. I would not say it can, but I guess. I don't know. Okay, what happens if I move the static into here as well? Static, mute, and just static. And instead of doing it this way, we just put it like this, because I think this is the way you do it. That should solve it, right? Why? Not allowed after visibility.
Oh wait,
Why
because
not?
yeah, I see. Because I have to do window.application loop.run. Yeah.
Okay. What happens if I force this? Oh no, it expects it to be a space. That's annoying. So I can't do. Yeah. That's sad. Okay then.
Interesting, it can't return.
What happens if I do this? No, that's dumb. That's dumb. I mean, it's cool, but it's dumb.
did I cut off?
I like having this. Has to be name. Now it's gonna complain, look. Yeah, attempted to repeat an expression contain no syntax variables. Matched repeating at this depth. Okay, that makes sense. What happens if I say ident as well? Because mute is apparently an ident. Right? Now, can it not tell by the amount of things that there are? It can't tell. Okay.
I see. That's the issue. I was going to complain about that.
Identifier or key. Ah, an ident can also be a keyword. Okay, theoretically, in that case, since an identifier can be a keyword, can we not just make this $$K ident and just paste it in then over here and make it plus because we know there needs to be. Then we only need this one. Yeah, that should work. It's an interesting solution, but it should work. Technically, so this one is plus. Or we could even do, to enforce it to be 3 or 2, we can say, if we put the question mark one to the last, and we just call it K, and then we're gonna have a $D for declaration. I don't really care what they are. $N for name. If we say $D, $N, it works. And now it has to be some amount of words, and if it doesn't make sense, it has to be 2 or 3, since we're enforcing it like this. It's not. It's actually no. It's actually a pretty nice solution. I like the solution. So now I just gotta copy this for this one up here, being easy init once, and technically then the type has to also be in a question mark. Or is it? Yes, it should be allowed. Tie question mark. Like that. always equal to an initialization expression. But then we can also wrap this in a question mark. Okay, and then let's say, for example, let a string, and now we can mix them as well, right? Or what? Found let statement. What do you mean? Does it not like let? Why does it work with static but not with let? D-ident and N-ident. In theory, this should just expand into this, yeah. In theory, it should just do this. But it's saying... What does this mean? Expected expression found let. Unstable. Okay, so I do have to split this up into two still. So let and static have to be separate. But this should work. Then. Why are you complaining about it now? It's looking for a let. That expressions in this position are unstable. I'm eating cake right now and it's so good, says Ogamero. Well, I'm glad you're enjoying your cake.
Maybe his name is also pronounced as OG Amero. Imagine.
Oh wait, actually. Let cannot have visibility. Okay, I see. Can I compact this back, then? If I make this just... Assign D ident. Let's try it this way. If anything, I can just allow this, and then this needs to be in a question mark. Or will it not like that? Okay, no, it doesn't like that. It doesn't like that. N, K, like this. N, K. Okay, that works. Unused mute, yeah, I don't care. And now I need to see if I don't set this, for example, to like that, will it work? It will. Okay, so that works. I feel like that would break for statics. It makes sense for it to break for statics. So technically it shouldn't be optional for statics, because a static needs to have a type. But that's fine. Yeah, because I can't just go into here and I can't just say static A is equal to 10. Yeah, yeah, missing type. Oh, that's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, so now this should work now. Statics require type. Let's do not. By default. Yeah, statics do. Okay. Now I can copy this over. It's almost as good, and now all I have to do is just replace it with lazy init once. And yo. And create once, which doesn't have an initialization. Create once. I don't know if it's possible to have the type unknown, but it might be. So if I say create once, we import create once, and I say let's A, just like this, and we're going to say A dot create emptiness to hello. Is it going to be able to infer the type from this? Cannot infer type. Okay, no, so you can't do this now. Here we do have to force the type because it's... So this is not going to currently work because the macro is not matching. But now if we say colon string, it works. It's nice. And cloning it by default returns, yeah, it returns the inner variable. Okay. Okay, I just did fancy stuff in utils. Very fancy stuff. Yeah. Once macros. Git push. Let's see, what have you been up to? Are you even there? I don't know, maybe he's not there. Oh. Oh, gamer. Except you're not gay. Oh, I see. I see. Interesting. Interesting. I think V22 is just kind of... Yeah, he's gone for now. Okay, that's fine. His thing gets a nice little update now. Let's see. What has he touched? Model loader. Oh, yeah. I hate this thing. We have to... Yeah, we have to fix this thing up. Wait, did he not pull? He didn't pull, did he? Of course he didn't. Now I have to fix merging stuff again. Git pull. No rebase. Well, I know I have stashed changes. I said no rebase.
Okay. My goodness, look, I cannot get this to work. It's so annoying. Rust is like... no, Rust is such a weird language, and I don't know, I don't like it really much, but... because...
I hope I didn't delete any of your progress.
Didn't do anything great.
Because I had some, because you forgot to pull. Because I changed some stuff up. Because now all of my, if I go to consts, all of my things are create once. This hash map is a lazy init. Let's see. Field now online. I don't know what's complaining about. Probably like duplicated code. Okay, what have you been trying to do?
I don't know. I'm trying to get it to compile.
Let me see why it's not compiling. Okay, now I'm coming in here. Let's look through that. Well, bro, what the hey? Yeah, we don't use this lazy anymore. We use my lazy. In fact, I'm just gonna quickly comment this entire file out. I don't think we need it yet. Texture region. Oh. Yeah, that needs to get changed. This is fine. This is just we need to dereference them. It's easy. Easy things. Let's see. Any other errors that it's complaining about? Wait for it to compile. Okay. Right. This is what you've been working with, right?
Yes.
Okay. Also, like your voice, very obvious. You're either tired or very sad about something.
I'm not tired. I'm just annoyed from this language, you know, because it is.
You're annoyed because you suck. That's
really
why.
Annoying me. That is the thing.
You're annoyed
Especially
because you
when
suck.
I come from Java, then I get really annoyed at this language.
Well, first of all, what did we say? Window RS, application loop. Right, we're saying where is this issue right here? Window dot model loader is equal to some model loader new window and window with a reference to itself. Okay, you want to do this on safe? You can do it on safe.
What is not safe about that?
A lot. Unsell, unsafe, window as const window. Or anything, you could use like U32. As const self. And now that we did this long chant, dot.
What does this do?
As.
Is this like copying it but not copying it at the same time?
Yes, it is. It's unsafe. The thing is, right, first of all, it'd be better if instead of setting up the model loader here, the model loader. Okay, yeah, you can do that actually. Yeah, that's fine. Is the window needs to be inside of some kind of arc at the very end, anyways, right? Because we need to ask for a static window T or window I. Fn run application loop is application loop callbacks plus static. Yeah, that's pretty valid actually. Probably plus sized as well. I mean, it hasn't errored yet, so
Maybe it's going to compile.
yes, probably will. But first thing I'm going to say is the first mistake that you're making is the fact that you are not using something like an arc out of the gate.
Do we need an arc?
For the window, yes, because we're going to be passing this window as an argument to certain things, and probably should be an arc. Like the render function just taking a window. I don't know what your application loop callbacks is. Why and wait? You know how bad this is, right? I told you already.
I know. I don't know why it's so bad. Because it makes perfect sense if I think about it.
I mean, true, but it's just a plain reference. There's a reason we use arcs, and we can. I even made. You remember this? Remember where you can actually? Yeah, just look in the mod. In the where is it? Mod.rs. Remember how we can ask for self to be an and arc?
That's true.
We can make the window an arc by default. Not yet implemented. It got to the start function. So I don't understand why you didn't make it an arc straight away. Like this would have made your life easier.
Okay, then let's use an arc here.
Make the window by default an arc window. What are you doing? Yes. That is always, it's always good to use this because remember, we are trying to make this thing thread safe. First things first, right? This thing should be thread safe. Right? Yes. Okay, if we look at over here, okay, look, I get that you just not that good at this language yet. But at the same time, if you keep giving up every 5 seconds and then going and sounding like you're depressed.
Yeah, that's true, but it is annoying me. That's the issue. No, that's not the issue.
V22 lore. It's annoying. Okay, first of all, let's make this window an arc. All right. So, is there anything we haven't initialized in here? Oh yeah, because we make this mutable, this window over here. And why? Because certain things take in mutable reference. Well, this is where interior mutability needs to happen, right? We have something, right? And I've already introduced you to this, and I'm going to ask you to do most of this because you need to improve anyways. But yeah, found and meet window. Anyways, right? Look up here. Well, we have the window. Certain things about this window need to change, right? Certain things need to be mutable. Yeah.
Yeah. No, just was reading your chat.
Okay. When we pass around the window, we want them just to have an arc and the window to always take in an arc. However, something that we can do is we can use an unsafe cell.
An unsafe cell?
No, a cell. Unsafe cell. If you go to unsafe cell over here, and we give it, I don't know, U32 is equal to unsafe cell new with a value. This allows us, this unsafe cell is very, very primitive. I wonder if, is there like a cell, like just a normal cell or?
Ref cell. Oh,
no, not ref cell, cell. What is cell? What is a cell actually? I just want to check. Mutable memory location. Yeah, okay, no, it's just an unsafe cell wrapper. So yeah, we can actually use a normal cell instead of an unsafe cell. Unsafe cell is the same thing, but unsafe cell you can only get a pointer. Let me see if you can get like just a reference. Terramute dot get mute. Okay, yeah.
So a cell just contains a mute, but itself is not mute.
Wait, no, that requires it to be mute. It's cell interior mute dot get mute. Okay, replace works. I'm just looking at what is in here. You can get a pointer,
What is the purpose
And you
of
can-
this thing?
and you can replace it. I think this is like what would also be. Okay. What we could, so either we do this or we keep thread safety by using mutexes, which is probably better if you do that, if something is changeable. So look, here's the two things that we need, right? Interior mute, this is not thread safe. And let safe interior, you would use your normal read write lock or mutex as you remember it,
Yes.
right? I hope you remember these.
I don't get what the difference is, but I know what I do.
Okay, no, no, you should get what the difference is between read write lock and mutex. Read write lock can have multiple readers but only one writer. A mutex can only have one thing at one time. So if something needs to be written a lot to and barely ever read, mutex is better. But if something is going to be read a lot and written a lot, then a read write lock is better. Or if something's going to be read a lot and written very little.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
It makes sense, yeah.
Okay.
So it does the exact same thing, but it has it's more efficient implementation, basically.
Well, no, read write lock's it's only better if you have a lot of things that need to read it at the same time, because then nothing has to wait. But if nothing has to read at the same time, and you're only asking for writes, then yeah, then mutex is better. So still, you can't have something reading it while it's writing. So this is what you have to do. So basically, the idea with this is, in the window, if something like enabled effects, right, this should be a read-write lock. In effect shaders, this should also be a read-write lock. Because they can be added over time, and probably through different threads as well. Right? You can enable things in different threads. Just in case, it's better to do this. Something like frame. This increases interiorly. The user doesn't have access to increase this. So we can just use a cell. If we say something interior mute dot replace with interior mute get +1, for example, right?
Okay.
And this is gonna turn it into a level. I don't know how much.
This is like a mutable thing, but it's not at the same time. Like you don't have to make it mutable. What is the purpose of this? I don't get what the purpose is.
Well, it's immutable, but you can mutate it. You can replace it with new values, and you can get the pointer as well. So you can ask for it as a pointer, and in unsafe code, obviously, you can do dot as mute unwrap, and that gives you a reference, and then we can say pointer to that reference plus equals 1. And there's your nice little algorithm for adding one to the frame. The idea is your window is wrapped inside of an arc, so the window is never mutable. However, we can still mutate this inner value. Dangerous cell.
Oh yeah, let's make a dangerous cell.
Our dangerous cell. It's unsafe cell, but more powerful, more potent. I can definitely do that in unsafe utils. Call it dangerous cell and just have it wrap an unsafe cell.
Can make it more dangerous that it will like panic 10% of the times.
Such danger. I'm actually gonna do this actually. Not like in the old panic, no, but like an unsafe cell, but a better one, because I have my nullable stuff in here. Let me do my unsafe cell then. Unsafe RC, right. Unsafe arc, yeah. So pub struct dangerous cell. It's going to have a cell, which is just going to be a cell, unsafe cell, T, or inner.
But
make
Max,
this
I'm
amazing.
going to go for now. I'm getting myself something to eat, but I'll be back later on, okay?
Okay.
So yeah.
Yeah, yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Come back. I'll be awaiting.